uObakeng owenza ibanga leyishumi nomuvo uyisibani sethemba lekusasa eliqhakazile. Ukukhenikhi waqala ngokwenza isithuthuthu ngo-2015. Manje imoto asanda kuyikhanda ingundabze kwayo kule ndawo.
I'm very proud of this guy because there's not a lot of people who are doing what he's doing in this location.
Nakuba naye ngokwakhe esesebangeni lokucathula ngokwempilo kepha kukhona asebebukela kuyena.
He's one of the few who doesn't smoke in this zone, and he's doing a good thing, and he doesn't influence young youth with bad things.
Ugqozi walithola ekhaya.
When I was young, I used to help my father to fix cars, and during that time, I thought of building my own car.
In the beginning, I thought that Obakeng is not going to do what he thought he will do. But as time goes on, I realized that I make a mistake by thinking that.
uObakeng ufakazela isisho esithi imuva lakho angeke likuvimbe ekutheni ufeze amaphupho akho kuphela nje uma ukholwa usebenza ngokuzinikela nangokuzikhandla.